everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to turn off activity indicator on Snapchat. Now to do that, you need to open the Snapchat application first. Open the Snapchat on your phone device. Then you need to go to the profile. So tap on the profile icon or the Bitmoji on the top left corner. Tap that. And once you're at this page, you need to tap on the setting icon on the top right. Tap that. In the setting icon, you need to scroll down to the privacy setting. You just scroll down and you will find the privacy control option. And there you will find this option, active indicator. You tap that. So for you to turn off the active indicator on Snapchat, you need to tap on the toggle which is currently enabled. So tap on that, moving it to the left side, which will turn off the active indicator. This activity indicator is a new addition to Snapchat. So if you're not comfortable with others knowing your activity status on Snapchat and you want to work the old ways where you are not shown as online, you can disable it from here. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.